How's it going? So it's Friday night. Gonna do some game dev, probably for an hour and a half, 2 hours. See if I can get any closer to alpha. We're getting there. Still a lot of stuff to do, but basically I went through last few days and reorganized all my assets. So they're now in this sprites folder. So we have a combination of some classic Angband sprites for the effects and the items. So all the inventory and the weapons, things like that, are all Angband sprites. We're using some of the high fantasy sprites from the Humble Bundle asset pack. So for characters, monsters, and players are using those, as well as all the portraits. So switched out all the portraits. So we kind of have a combination. I mean, the art style is not, I mean, obviously this is still programmer art, and this is still kind of early alpha test. This isn't actually art we're going to use in the final game, but it's an improvement. And the main thing is reorganizing it so when I do switch out the assets, it's an easy switch as opposed to kind of dragging them and grabbing them from all these different folders. So all the assets are now in this directory structure, and also they're all loaded through a single library in the actual code. So there's an asset library class which has a reference to all the assets, and you just call method to grab what you need at runtime. So here's the asset library. Here's where we grab a reference to all the sprite sheets, and get the sprite when you need it at runtime. So, oh, interesting. This is not right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fixing bugs all the time. So, we have all these icons, all our our inventory and stuff, our character portraits and sprites. So this is all loaded. So right now, tonight, it's going to be kind of hodgepodge. One of the things I wanted to work on was better UI in the zone scene, which will let you show who's in your party, kind of an overview of their basic stats. So we'll have their portrait, their HP, and their name. You can click on it and it will kind of expand and show, their name, maybe their XP, and maybe their current effects, something like that. And then just really working on the battle scene, because that's probably the scene that has the most work. That's the core of the game, and there's a lot of features that aren't currently working. So just working on improving that. So I'm going to go through, do a play test, and then get a list of items to work on, and then just hack away. I'll be listening to music, won't be narrating, but I'll be recording. So that's pretty much it.